Hello everyone, welcome to our new video today. I'm going to introduce the news of products on my right hand. This is a 3-section steam warmers using the natural gas and the liquid propanes. Let me give the overall dimensions first. For the unit's entire length, about like a 44.5 inches long. And the depth about like a 29 3/4 inches deep. And the overall heights, they are about like a 32 3/4 inches tall. For the bottom layers, it is about like a 10 inches tall. And we can see the units coming with the individual controllers for each of the wheel. And from the top of the window, you can see the fire status. Looking the side of the units, we do have the ETL sanitation stickers, all the cut sheets informations, and all the connection requests. And the bottoms right here, they have a connect pipes. So the manufacturer, they offer the regulators. And the manual books coming with the converter kits inside for you to using the propane. And we can take a look closer to see the inner side dimensions. For the inner side dimensions, this pantry space, it is about like a 20 inches long and about like a 12 and 1/4 inches wide. And depth of it about like 7.5 inches deep. Also the cutting boards, it is about like a 7 inches deep. And that's will be the all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us.